We're back and we're here at the Nighthawk Pro Gaming Lounge and we're gonna unbox the Nighthawk Pro Gaming SX10 switch.
I'm really excited to pull this guy out of the box. Really cool device. You ready?
Let's do it, my man.
There we go. So we have our installation manual. We have a nice little pamphlet right there. But who cares, right?
Yeah.
We're here for this guy.
It's like the older model, huh?
No, this is the Big Daddy.
The big one.
Right,
this
so
is the big guy.
This is new and improved, a bit larger. Same great alloy material.
Nice.
I mean, this thing is
Couple extra
a beast.
ports?
Yep, we got 10 ports, 2 of which are 10 gig multi-gig, and the rest are gigabit Ethernet. You know, for most of the gamers out there, gig Ethernet is totally fine, but you know, a lot more connectivity options with this. So overall, look at that. That's awesome.
Beautiful.
Got the power adapter as well included. That's pretty much all you need to get this guy up and running.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Ben, but each light in this is customizable, right?
Yep, every single LED.
Every single individual light.
So that includes the power V right here, as well as all the different ports themselves.
So after you plug it in, hook it up to your system, you can go and access the switch, and you can choose from a color wheel. So you can get virtually any color you would like, pick your favorite color, whatever kind of mood you want to set for the vibe of your gaming night.
Well, usually when I game, it's alone.
Some gray.
Yeah, some gray. But it's also great, you know, if you have like a red setup at your house, you know, with the craze of RGB LEDs, it's a great way to kind of match your own battle station, personalize it to fit within your own environment.
This is much more than just a cool looking device, right? So how does this help gaming? How is it actually utilized?
Right, so basically within the switch, it has its own software where you can you know, prioritize the different ports. So for example, if I have an Xbox hook up to one of the ports and then my roommate is also streaming Netflix, I can make sure that my devices have all the bandwidth available. All right, so this is a great way to prioritize and make sure that my roommate gets what he needs and I get what I need, so I can game, stream, download at free will. So.
Awesome, my man. Well, you guys heard it from him, from Ben, NETGEAR's Pro Gamer. And we'll see you next time. Happy gaming.